ผมกำลังลงเรือผมกำลังลงเรือครับไปซิมิลานก็ซิมิลานครับถึงซิมิลานนั่งรถนั่งเรือใช้เวลา1 ชั่วโมงครึ่งครับ
Nou, jak wyjdziemy z tych aposteczkami. Ja zawsze teraz...
Fernie number 3. Fernie number 3. Please remember the name of our boat because of if you forgot, we have to say bye bye for today. Because toilet kind of small. Maybe not comfortable to use the toilet or the boat when the boat running because of the boat gonna be. Then you're gonna sit down, boop, and then you're gonna dancing, boom, 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 boom. Like this on the top. When you finish to use the toilet, not allowed to throw any tap or any tip. Island. Milan Island or island number 8 on your left hand. You're gonna see the big rock on the mountain. Yeah, that's the logo symbol of Milan. We call Sail Rock. And also that mountain, that's the viewpoint on top view. If you would like to go there, everyone just walk straight inside.
Open. You can walk by side here.
ว้าวสวยมากว้าว
Can go inside.
Here, mouth, but you know, don't have. I have one case, the snake come inside my customer.
Wow.
Steine.
Ach ja, stimmt.
Weil wir auf die linke Seite vom Meer gehen.
When you come back in January and February, anything very good. Alright, show me your hand. Time to say goodbye. 1, 2, 3, bye bye. See you tomorrow.